Hey guys, I got a wheel going in my NoMar Tire Changer. So we put her in the dog blocks. We lock her in. Spin. Take the tire. Okay, the dots go where the valve stem is. First thing is just to push further on. Okay, half the tire's on. And then we go and we grab the tool. I'm going to use my back here, come over here. And pretty much it's easy, you just kind of drop her in the space. That's simple. You take my yellow thing guy, I put him in next to it. And then I stretch the tire around. Just to make it easier later. Okay. And then we take this, drop down the center, into the hole. Okay, now I'm going to put my hip on this and pull. And I want to, at the same time, push this into the drop center. And we're pulling and pushing. Keep it in the drop center, not too much work. That's the most important thing, is keep it in the drop center. If it gets stuck on you, kind of just give a little movement here. Come around here, babe. See, it's right now it's stretched over. I lube the top of the rim, and all I got to do is let down. That's it. And I pull the yellow thing out. And lock it. And I'm ready to throw some air in it and seal the bead. Thanks,
Awesome.
guys. It's Marcel signing off.